It's a friend who plays Roblox. Send it. Send it right now. Okay. Why you always such a noob, lagging and thinking you're cool? I think you better study after school. Are you made out of poo? Simp, I am waiting for you. Can you please go stay in the zoo?
This one's for my best friend. You idiot. I know I irritate you a lot and you know I'm never gonna stop doing it. You're the best and you bring out the best in me and I can't imagine my life without you. And if anybody ever tries to break your heart, I'm gonna break that person's face and I'm serious. I love you, okay?
I pretend I'm not faced, only you to sin. If you've been in your garden, you know that you can. Call me when you want, call me when you need. Call me in the morning, I'll be.
She say, do you love me? I tell her only partly. I only love my bed and my mom.
I want you to pause for a second. Send it to somebody that you love. The first person that you could think of, send it to them. I need you to just trust me on this, all right? Go ahead. All right, now that it's just us, I want to let you know that without you, I wouldn't be where I'm at today.